Hi everyone, my name is Blessing and I'm the Developer Relations Manager for EMEA region at Circle. Today we're going to be talking about building with Circle's developer platform. So essentially what I'll be going over what the Circle developer platform is, what you can use it to build, and how that sort of ties into the bounty and what we expect from hackers today, for the entire weekend, what you can come up with, and also how that ties into how you can win all the bounties that we've listed on the ETHGlobal Brussels page. So starting off, this is essentially what to think about when I talk about the Circle developer platform, and it sort of offers the cohesive technology stack that you need to build on Circle, right? So if you start from the base, we've got the blockchain networks, and you can see pretty much all the blockchain that USDC is supported on. And on top of that, we've got the stablecoin protocol, which includes, of course, USDC and ERC, and then cross-chain transfer protocol, which is CCTP. I'm pretty sure everyone is familiar with CCTP. And CCTP lets you move USDC securely between blockchains. And also we've got the Bridge USDC standard. And sitting on top of that is the Web3 services. And Web3 services allows you to use 3 product offerings that we've got at Circle. We've got the Programmable wallet, we've got gas station, and we've got smart contract platform. Programmable wallet lets you embed secure wallets into your application, be it mobile app or web application, and you can also embed gas station sponsoring gas fees for your users, so they don't have to go out of your application, be it mobile or web application, to source for native gas, and they can just do that right in the application. And Programmable Wallet is really special and unique in the sense that you can interact with smart contracts. We've got an endpoint that lets you create transaction, and super easy to use with just an API call. You're ready to go on your way. So on top of all these constructs should be your application or your business. So if you're building something in this hackathon, just think through, like, how can I build my application on top of everything that we've got here as a technology stack to solve the use cases that I'm going to walk through in a bit. So let me just go to the next slide. We'll just go to the price pool information, and I'm going to walk through everything. So on the ETHGlobal website, you can easily see everything, and we've categorized them easily on how you can win for each price category. So I'll start with the first one. The first one is cross-border payment, and you've got 2,000 USDC for this price pool, and it's the first one. So what we're looking out for from this price pool is we're looking for an application that it could be a mobile or web application. It could also be an integration, or it could also be like a protocol integration that uses blockchain for cost-effective international money transfers, and you also save costs while you move funds from one country to another, giving it that cross-border payment flair. And we've listed a ton of examples because we know that developers, you've got like really short period of time during this hackathon. So we want to give you examples that you can easily get started with to help you think through what we're looking out for and help you understand how to win for this hackathon. So we've got payroll platforms, and that essentially means like global salary disbursement, where you can use the blockchain to distribute salaries for workers in another country, and they can easily get paid working for another country. So we've got international remittances, peer-to-peer payments, and essentially one flair that we're adding to this hackathon is we're also looking out for innovative applications that add AI into the integration. We all know that AI is kind of gaining traction now. We just want to explore how you can use AI in blockchain to build really, really cool use cases. And we saw that from the previous hackathon in ETH London, where a developer actually used large language model with the blockchain, paying with USDC, and it was so cool. So we thought to add it this year and want to help developers think through how they can build innovative projects embedding AI into the blockchain. So that's for cross-border payment. We've added qualification requirements. Basically what we're looking out for is we don't want you to spend the entire weekend to build a fully fledged app. It takes time to build something great. We want you to just spend time to build a reasonable MVP, something that works, something that you can demo to the team at the end of the hackathon, and something that really fits all these use cases that I'm working through, and you can document your processes, show us really nice GitHub commit. We don't want to see kind of like a just one upload. We want to see steady commits, like, okay, you started on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That shows us progress. It doesn't have to like really, it doesn't have to be fully functional at the end. We want to just see that progress, right? And also give us feedback. So there's a survey link embedded into this qualification requirements page. Fill the survey. Let us know what product that you love. Let us know what tutorial you want from us. Let us know what you want in general. So you fill the survey, answer all the questions. So moving quickly to the second price category is best application for dollar access. It's really explanatory, and we have people already coming and pitching to us how they can even build for this price category. Essentially, what you're going to do is use the blockchain to provide global access to dollars. We all know that some regions are at disadvantage when it comes to accessing dollars. You can use the blockchain, USDC, and use the Circle developer platform, everything I talked about, programmable wallet, smart contract platform, gas station, embedded in your application to build something really cool. And again, we've got examples. We've got wallet, consumer applications, marketplaces applications, payment applications. And again, you can incorporate AI, and we've added examples of how that's possible. So the next one is crypto capital market. Crypto capital market for a price of 2,000 USDC, winning price in this case, we've got examples of how you can use USDC as collateral for borrowing and lending digital assets, providing loans with USDC, and for trading use cases for crypto assets. And also we've added more examples in AI. This is a really special category, which is the last category. This category really talks about how to build for emerging use cases. We all know that some of these 3 use cases that we've talked about might be outside of what you're interested in working on. So we've added emerging use cases, and here we just want you to think wide, innovative, right? And we've added a ton of examples of how you can use USDC, programmable wallet. You can even combine that with AI. You can combine that with social platform, Web3 social platform that again supports financial incentive, how people can get paid. And another cool task that you can also add is, or another cool project that you can also work on is how you can use USDC to pay AI workers, which are digital workers on the internet, and we see blockchain actually shining with this use case. So that example, that project will fit right into this category. Again, so long as you ensure that you're using the Circle developer platform to build everything, I'm sure you'll be really considered in one of these use cases. And we have examples with AI, building retrieval augmented generation chatbots with, again, AI, and then the Circle developer platform, and then the blockchain. So we just want you to think outside of the box. So if you've got any DeFi protocol that you want to build, that would fit right into this category. And this category, the total price here is 4,000 USDC, and it's divided into 2. We've got the first place for 2,500, and we've got the second place for 1,500. So everything I've talked about, where do you get help, right? Resources. So I know the time I have here is really short. Let me just point you to how you can get really good resources that our team has put together, sample applications, developer documentation. So if you come right here, and all these examples, we've added them right here, so you can go through and click on one of those links and be able to learn. But let me just quickly talk through this. So this sample app is actually a really cool sample app that we just launched. Is the Circle user controlled wallet sample app, and all the code that you need, you can find them right here. And this link points directly to the live demo. And this demo, sorry, one second. So this demo, you can see this demo. I'll just switch the wallet here to Polygon. Yeah, so this wallet, this demo actually shows how you can deposit USDC, send USDC from one address to another address, and it shows your balance. So this is an example of how programmable wallet actually works. And I'm sure if you need to go through the code, you've got everything right here, all the codes, all the examples. You can read through, see how we are integrating programmable wallet into a fully functional application, and that would help you think through how you can do that for your own use case. So don't worry, if you are looking for the link, is embedded in the price page that I just walked through right here. One second. In the price page that I just walked through, to be yes, so you can, it's right there in one of those sample applications. I'll just double check again and include it. So another cool thing is that we included winning projects from the last hackathon. Crypto Relief, that was from London. YieldMe is a yield protocol that was built and won the prize during the hackathon. So the developer documentation, everything that you need here. So this is actually one of our learning platform that categorizes how you can build with user-controlled programmable wallets, developer-controlled programmable wallets, and how you can embed CCTP with programmable wallets. So CCTP is the cross-chain transfer protocol, and it lets you move USDC securely from one wallet, from one chain to another chain. So you can have USDC on, say, Avalanche. You can move it securely to Ethereum by natively burning and minting on another chain. So this guide actually walks through how you can use CCTP and how you can use it with programmable wallets. This walks through how you can use developer-controlled programmable wallets. So if this is your first time coming across all these products, you have all the learning materials that you need to really understand everything. So, and then we've got the developer documentation, all the APIs, everything that you need ready to go is embedded right here. So you can visit developers.circle.com. So I'll go back to my slide, and that's pretty much everything I want to walk through. And I thought to add this quote to motivate us, because I know it's a long weekend ahead of us, that we are builders, and we should remember that at the heart of every line of code lies the potential to change the world. Let's innovate with passion and build solutions that inspire the future. Thank you, everyone. So, questions?
I have one.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I checked the part programmable wallets, right?
Yeah.
And basically, I think the example was the backend in X and the
Yeah.
front with the X code.
Yeah.
In the end, you reach the view that where you are able to send and receive.
Yeah.
In a test network. Is that enough to participate in the category, or actually you are expecting build something on top of that, or reaching that step where actually you are able to send and receive?
Yeah.
To the end of it?
That's a good question. So this is.
Can you repeat the question?
Oh, okay. So yeah. So what he's asking is that the sample app I just showed actually shows how to transfer USDC from one wallet to another. Is that expected? Is that something you can submit, or we want more from you guys? So to answer his question, that's a foundational sample app that shows you how the product works, right? So that's a really good starting point. You can build a use case that actually solves a problem, and again ties to all those categories that I listed, either for cross-border payments, either for dollar access, or crypto capital markets, or any emerging use case. So I would say build on top of the foundational sample apps. You already have something ready for you to go, right? So just think of a particular problem that maybe it could be it could be something that is particular to you, right? Maybe in your region, you're trying to solve a particular problem with blockchain. So this is a good starting point. Just build on top of it, following all the guys that I talked about. Any other, and also we've got sample apps in React Native. So if you're a mobile developer, or you can easily use our React Native sample apps as well. We have the documentation also linked in the price page, so you can get there quickly as well.
Awesome.
Yeah. Any other question? Yeah.
Where can we get like faucets from USDC to like test
Yeah. Faucet.circle.com. Faucet.circle.com.
Okay, but I think there is a limited amount, like daily amounts.
Yeah.
Yeah, USDC.
Come to the booth. We can work something for you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you, everyone. I wish you good luck.